We're hiking at the White Tank Mountains here at Goat Camp Trail. I'm out of breath. I'm with my cousin and my mother-in-law and my buang na asawa, Jared. Oh my gosh, we're almost to the top. There's the view up here. Oh, right there. And there's the city. Whoop. How many miles have we walked so far?
1.
Just one?
Probably a mile and a half, maybe.
Probably 2. Close to 2. Alright. Upo muna kami dito to catch our breath. I'm sweating. That's our view. Right there. And this is the city of, I don't know which city that one is. Phoenix, Surprise, Sun City, name it. We're almost there. Where's the top? The top of this mountain that we're on? Yeah. Okay. Oh, nice. Okay, this is a video. Wow. Nice. No. Okay.
Picture.
Okay.
To Narnia.
Alright, we're on the other side of this mountain now. Look at the top. It's like a different world up here. Look at, there's more cactus. My goodness.
Wow.
Oh, look at that. And I can't even see where we came from anymore. Yeah. Wow. We're gonna keep climbing up. Saan kami nanggaling? You can't see it from here now. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're gonna explore this side. I don't think we're gonna go that way because it's, I think, 3 more miles or something. Okay. Okay. Kita nyo? May mga towers doon sa taas, oh, sa kabila. Ayun, ang daming towers. Oh my. Oh my, they keep on going up there. Oh my goodness. Nanggaling kami dun sa baba kanina. Oh. Hindi na makita kung saan kami originally came from. But we're gonna keep going up here. Let's see how's the view up here. Hinihingal na ako. We made it to the top, guys. Look. Look around us.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, this is behind me. Oh, okay, I'll flip the camera so you can see the 360 view. There it is. That's where we park right there. I-zoom natin. Nandun yung aming sasakyan naka-park. And that's the view of the city of Phoenix, or maybe Surprise, Sun City, name it. Look at the view right here. Oh my, we're really up top right here. Let's see. Oh, and then dito yung view sa kabilang side ng bundok na to. Let me turn around. Okay, ayan, and that's the towers. Let me spin more so you can see. This is the other side of the mountain right here. Oh, that's cool. Worth it yung pagod to climb up here. How many miles did we walk? About 3 miles, but maybe 1.5 is climbing up. And yan yung aming trail na dinaanan, oh. All the way there. So that's the trail. And then yun yung trail papunta sa parking lot. Wow! Piliin mo rin ang Arizona. Yeah, you're really very you're even shaking up there. Oh my god, that's scary.
Wow.
Okay.
Highway right here. Wow. Catch another one.
This is a video. Move. You can move. Alright, balik na kami sa baba. Bye. Oh, ang ganda dito oh. Ah, look at the view. Yay. Bye everyone. So, dyan kami nang galing sa taas. And then umikot doon, pababa, pababa, this way. And that way. And then that way to the other side. We made it. We hiked for 6 miles round trip.
Yes.
How's everybody's legs?
Wiggly.
Wiggly. Shaky.
Definitely on the wiggly side.
So we walked for 3.5 hours. Can you imagine?
Did it?
Yeah. Doon kami pumunta o sa tuktok na yun. Oh. Ayan. Oh my gosh, ang sakit ng paa ko.